Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel here. Today we are back with some BABYMONSTER. Don't you think I forgot about you? I've been reacting to a lot of like K-pop and like, you know, I don't know, some of these groups they say aren't considered K-pop. I don't know. I don't even know what anything is anymore. I'm just going to say BABYMONSTER and just call them BABYMONSTER because they're BABYMONSTER and I love BABYMONSTER. But you know, I've been checking out BTS finally, you know. Stray Kids is blowing up my channel, you guys. Like, even more than the BABYMONSTER fans out there. But I'm sure you guys are you guys all fans of all of them? Or is, like, this kind of stuff, like, only, you know, like, if you're a BABYMONSTER fan, then you can't be a, you know, a fan of Treasure or, you know, BTS or, you know, Stray Kids. I don't know. Or can you just, love them all? I don't know how you guys do it. I'm just learning this kind of music. And I've really been enjoying it. It makes me feel young again, I think, is the biggest thing. And I just feel a cool connection with some of these groups. So BABYMONSTER has been amazing. Smash the thumbs up on this, you guys. If you guys want more BABYMONSTER, leave a comment down below as well. And subscribe, please. Let's keep growing this channel up. Let's do it. Come on. Why not? BABYMONSTER, We Go Up, and Psycho, SBS Entertainment. I've been told this is one of their best live performances. This was like a couple months ago. I got to check it out. I don't think I've checked out anything live yet. So here we go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go, BABYMONSTER. Already bringing the heat.
You would never see the type of show we about to show ya. You would never heard this type of flow we crush it, no yeah. Tidal wave, it's about to go. You will never dominate, know when to see your ball. No more pumping together, head on my pump, you are still rookie fly. 우리 걱정은 딱히 너 nobody 느낌이 거나. The bygones be bygones, they never had no problems. Hard but we gon' walk up in the cyclones be what you gonna do? Looking good, looking fly, looking brand new. Unbelievable, all the marketing, all the opposite. You love it, when we pull up, now it's all done. What's up, for you, then you let me hear you. We go up like whoa, 우리 killers, like whoa, 우리 villains. High for me, baby, whoa, up like whoa. We go up like whoa, 우리 killers.
I love that little move there they did with their hands. I don't know what it was, but it was pretty sweet. Let's go.
Whoa, 우리 villains.
They're bringing the heat. I'm turning off the closed caption because I think they're rapping a little bit too fast for it to keep up and know what's actually being said. I'm not going to understand every word. I don't give a shit. I'm here to just have fun. I'm having fun. I'm moving and grooving, and that's what it's all about for me with these groups. I love it. Just watching them be energetic and have fun. And yes, a lot of the lyrics are amazing and deep, and I catch most of them, like in the music videos and stuff. This is live. This is crazy. This is quick. They're killing it. But I'm just going to enjoy the music on this one.
Nobody do it like this. Nobody do it like this. You never catch me slip. I told you no with the flick of the wrist. Let bygones be bygones. They never had no problems. Your high rope go walk without the cyclones be icons. What you gonna do? Looking good, looking fine, looking brand new. Unbelievable. I opposite. You love it. When we pull up, know it's all on tight. BABYMO and we up. 우리 모른 듯이 I'm run it up. 불을 지필 거야 burn it up. 세상 꼭대기 say my name. 우린 판을 바꿀 game changer. Definition dangerous. Copy sneaking, buckle up. We got to scream for that one. You ready? Don't forget we gon' make it real.
Let's go.
High for me, baby, whoa. know you guys ready for
Listen to that crowd. They're going crazy for Baby Monster, you guys. I'm going crazy for Baby Monster. I got chills. I'm just having fun. They're killing it. They're slaying it. Damn, they really know how to work the crowd. They really know how to work the crowd. All right, we're going to keep... They're going on to their next one. I think it's Psycho is next. Let's check it out. Let's do it. Smash that like button if you guys haven't already. And subscribe. Love you.
I know you guys ready for the next song, right? Hashtag! Yeah, yeah, yeah. 난 지나치나 달려나가. 소리처럼 날아올라. 수 없는 그 향에 따라가자 꿈. Everybody give me room. 누가 뭐래도 I'ma do. You don't know about me. You don't know about me. 우린 모두 사이버. 누구나도 다 너나 나나 사이버. 모두 다 비정상 너나 사이코. 웃는 얼굴 뒤에 just a little psycho. 사이코. 세상처럼 돌고 도는 어린 사이코. Take that toe, bang so kick that toe. Someone that like everybody wanna be a slow, but they're gonna get it when I'm really like. I wish you were for me, misunderstood. You ain't got a clue. Feeling like a better cheating, everything I better get you a video psycho.
I gotta watch that mic flip again. I've never seen anything like that before. Did you see that? She flicked the mic, and then like, oh, that was cool. That was dope.
Everybody
Watch
wanna
this.
be a slow, but they're gonna get it when I'm really like.
Coming up.
I wish you were
Watch
for me,
this.
misunderstood. You ain't got a clue. Feeling like a better cheating, everything I better get you a video psycho.
That was sweet.
오늘이 우리 마지막 밤인 것처럼 미쳐가보자. 가르쳐! Are you ready? This is for everybody.
I'm ready.
You're not just anybody. Shout out and tell somebody. We are the This is for everybody. You're not just anybody. Shout out and tell somebody. We are the psycho. So we're the psycho. We are the psychos.
Damn. The crowds go crazy. That's insane. That was really good. They brought the energy. I think they sounded just as good live as they do on their videos. And that's saying something because not all artists do. So that was crazy. That was Baby Monster. We Go Up in Psycho live. Let me know what you guys think about that one down in the comments. Smash the like button. Subscribe. You guys know the drill. Share this with your friends. Tell them there's a middle-aged old American dude reacting to Baby Monster. They'll get a kick out of it, I'm sure. Just like you guys do. I know you're laughing at me. I see you. I see you. All right, I'm out of here. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one. You know what's coming soon. Peace out. Love you.